Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to set up custom font family in VS Code editor. So before start I want to show you the preview. So let me go to my VS Code editor and you can see that for the editor I have set up the Dank Mono font family, and same thing for the sidebar I have set up, and entire VS Code editor I have set up the Dank Mono font family. Let me go here and you can see over here and it looks really great. Okay, so same environment we are going to set up. So let me go here and let's get started step by step. First you need to download the Dank Mono font family. So I have created GitHub repository for it, so you can see over here, and Dank Mono folder you can download bold, italic and regular font. Okay, from here I will add this link to my video description. So let me go, and I already downloaded, so let me go here. You can see that, and when you click on it you will have a button called install. So I already installed, so it's say installed, but if I go for italic there should be say install, and you can install in your system, so that's compulsory. Okay, so now let me go here and go to again VS Code editor, and you can see that there is a default setup right now. And now let me press Ctrl+Shift+P, and there should be say user settings JSON, and hit enter. You can see that something like that setup, and by default there is a key called editor.font family. If you don't have, you can add this, and by default this font family has set up. Now we already download and install Dank Mono in our system, so I can add Dank Mono over here. Okay, Dank Mono. Okay, and just save it. Okay, and when you save it, it's instantly change your font family for the editor, so you can see over here. Okay, so this is perfectly fine and it's working for editor, but what we have for other like entire system I want to change it. Okay, so now let me go here, and first of all I will create the CSS file. So let me go and open the text editor. Okay, and just open it, and I need to write the CSS, and then I need to save as a style.css file. So let me go here, and just I already written all the CSS, so copy this. I will add this CSS in my video description as well, so just copy that and just paste it over here and save this file as a .css. And let me go, make sure this you need to remember where is you are going to save style.css. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so this means this is the saved properly and fine. So now let me go here, and then you need to install one extension, so that's called custom css js loader, that you need to install in your VS Code editor, this extension. Okay, after this what you need to do, so go to again your Ctrl+Shift+P and user settings, and here I already commented out, but I will again enable the VS Code custom css and imports from, I already have a path, so where you saved. So let me go here and let me show you CSS, and here I'm going to say just over here the path. You can see that like home, hurry, documents, this is the path of CSS, and you need to just copy that path and paste it over here, and you just need to call style.css over here. Before it was custom.css, but save it something like this with this key, save it. And now what you need to do, just you need to again Ctrl+Shift+P for Ubuntu, and just enable custom CSS and JS, hit enter. You can see that restart Visual Code, so hit enter, and you can see over here like it's awesome. So you can see that in sidebar, and if I click on it, you can see that everywhere inside the VS Code editor font family has changed, and right now everywhere is Dank Mono font family, so it's look really awesome. If I go to the extension, everywhere it's going to just change. So you understand how easily we can set up the custom font family in VS Code editor. If you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video guys.